Assalamualaikum. Today my topic is restless leg syndrome. RLS is a neurological condition in which a person feels an uncomfortable urges to move their legs, usually because of uncomfortable sensations such as tingling, crawling, or numbness. These symptoms often become worse during rest at night and improve with movement of the legs. Common diseases linked with RLS include peripheral neuropathy, diabetes mellitus, kidney disease, and Parkinson disease. Peripheral neuropathy is a condition caused by damage to the peripheral nerves. The nerves, especially outside the brain and the spinal cord. The common causes of peripheral neuropathy are diabetes and kidney disease. Diabetes mellitus. During diabetes, high blood sugar over a long time can damage the nerves, especially in the legs and feet. Damage the nerves may cause tingling, burning sensation, numbness, crawling feelings in the legs. Kidney disease. People with kidney disease often have low iron levels. Iron is important for making dopamine, a chemical in the brain that helps control movement. Low dopamine activity can trigger RLS symptoms. Kidney disease can also cause poor sleep, muscle cramps, and mineral imbalances, which can make RLS more noticeable. Parkinson disease can contribute to RLS mainly because of problem with dopamine in the brain. Dopamine is a chemical messenger that helps control movement and muscle activity. In Parkinson's disease, the brain cells that produce dopamine gradually decrease or even die. This activity can lead to uncomfortable feeling in legs. The best treatment for RLS depends on symptoms severity. For mild cases, lifestyle adjustment like moderate exercise, warm baths, and avoiding caffeine, especially at night. For moderate to severe RLS, first line medical treatment include iron supplement and anticonvulsants such as gabapentin are very helpful. Very thanks. Allah Hafiz.